Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Talk Help guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Discord account. So from here, you want to go to Discord and then select register. Then enter an email account. So we're entering this email account right here. Sectorals Y87 gmail.com. Now, for display name, you can add whatever display name you want. So let's say tech. And then username, let's just go with this one. Password, let's say. There we go. Then birthday. And then you can just leave that. Password is 2 weeks. Okay, let's add in. And there we go. Now it's gonna confirm this. Click and hold and drag line shape. Okay. Then just click on verify. So once that's done, that's it. Automatically, you now have your Discord server. Now you can have a template here if it's for gaming, friends, study group, school club, local community, artists, or creators. So let's say gaming. For me and my friends, create. Automatically, that creates a server for you. So we want to go to our email account here. It's going to send a verification. We send email. Usually it takes a while for it to resend, but if it does send, what you want to do is just simply confirm that you're using your email or this email account. And that's it. You have created your own Discord account. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please of course not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.